airfield, like west
Spawning.
of Dover, not Hawkinge, but just...
Okay, this is P-38 Group 1. We're on RAF Manston.
Manston is what we're spawning in. How much fuel? 40 minutes?
Full load.
Full tank.
Oh, full tank. Okay, I'm spawning in. Okay, I'm on.
Hey, 5, do you have any decals on your plane?
Yeah, I got the number 31 on it. I'm on the airfield. I don't see anybody here. Maybe I spawned into the wrong airfield.
I got 238s to my right. Did you spawn at RAF Manston?
Yeah.
Oh, I
Could be on the
see.
opposite side of the
No,
runway.
he's all the way to your left, killer.
Roger.
You see us all the way to the right.
Oh, yeah, I see somebody next to me, but there's no tag over him.
Yeah, no, you're not going to get any tags in BFE, but we're all the way
Oh,
to
yeah,
your
that's
right.
right. Okay, I see, yeah.
Alright, I'm going to radio the other groups and see if we're cleared to take off yet, or what we're doing. This is Killer to all groups. Are the P-38s cleared for takeoff, or would you like us to hold on the airport?
Everyone is cleared for takeoff.
Roger that. Alright, we're all clear for takeoff. Let's start
Should
engines.
we all spawn at Manson?
Are we taking the northern patrol route?
Spawn wherever. Just take off.
Spawn wherever and take off. Starting engines now.
Who's got an alien on the nose of their plane?
That's neither killer or I, so don't worry about it.
Alright, this is Killer. I'm taxiing to the start of the runway.
10-4. I'm taxiing behind you.
Who's number 27?
That's neither killer or I. We're already at the end of the runway.
This is Killer. Donzi and I are on the taxiway, taxiing to the start of the runway. Looks like runway 9 is what we'll be taking off from.
Are you guys airborne right now?
Negative. We're on the ground.
We're taxiing to the end of the runway. You got a taxi to your right, 5.
Okay, copy that.
Holding position on the runway. I've got 2 P-38s on the taxiway heading towards us. I think that might be from Zulu's group.
Oops.
One's
Donzi the
fine.
killer, I'm in position.
Roger, I got you off my right wing.
Are we setting takeoff flaps or doing no flap takeoff?
That's completely up to you. I'm personally using no flaps.
Alright, I'll do the same, just so I keep up with you.
5-0, do you have us in sight?
Not yet. I'm behind another P-38 that's taxiing to the end of the runway. His number is 27.
Are you
That's
number
all,
6,
that's Kenobi.
5-0?
No, he's not. He's behind Kenobi.
I'm right behind Kenobi. Mine is 31
Oh,
on the
okay.
wing. on
Okay,
the
do you have green on
tail.
your on your engine, on your cockpit nacelle and engines?
Yes. No, I don't. I have black and silver.
Alright, we got you in sight. We got you in sight.
What marker do you have on your plane, Killer?
I do not have any markers, but I am the only one with a brown paint scheme.
Yeah, he's the only bicolor. And I think I'm the only one with the Asian stripes.
Okay, I have 31 on my tail.
Yeah, Killer, I got invasion stripes in the 3-leaf clover, so that's the easiest way to identify me.
Are you
Yeah, I
two
got you in
guys
sight.
on the runway ready for takeoff?
Yeah, we're waiting for you.
We're holding position, waiting for you on the runway.
Okay, I see you guys. I'm just coming to your left.
Hold position until our last guy is on the runway.
Damn, Kenobi's
P-38s.
completely blocking the taxiway.
Okay, I'm gonna
Don's-
get behind. I'm gonna get behind Killer. This is fine.
Just, yeah, just get behind Killer, let us know when you're in position. Donzie the Killer, are we taking the northern or southern patrol route for the 38s?
I'm having us take the northern patrol route, so we'll be patrolling Delta 564 and Echo 564, that area.
Right off the coast of Manston, over, right?
That's correct.
Okay, 10-4.
Actually, Manston is at Charlie 4. We're gonna have to fly south before we reach our patrol area.
Alright, 10-4.
Alright, you guys ready for takeoff? I'm gonna radio the other group and tell them we're ready to go.
Killer, this is 5. I'm really right behind you.
Roger that. Alright, all P-38 groups are cleared for takeoff.
Yeah, Donzie the Killer, I'm
Zulu, you take your group to patrol the southern part. Echo 4, 5, and 6, that area. I'll take my group and patrol Charlie 4, 5, and 6, and Delta 4, 5, and 6. You're cleared
Red
for
one,
takeoff.
copy.
Your own navigation to get there. Alright. Alright, P-38 Group 1, let's go.
This is Doug. My group is in the air patrolling our sector, climbing up to altitude now.
Donzie, wheel up.
5-0, wheel up.
Okay, as soon as we get to the coast, we'll make a right-hand turn and fly south.
Copy that. 5-0.
10-4.
Currently climbing at around 200 miles per hour. Alright, right-hand turn now, 90 degrees.
Donzie the Killer, what's our target altitude, over?
I have no idea where the enemy bombers will be. I'm taking this up to 20,000 feet just to be safe.
10-4. Be advised, I'm taking my temperatures. Trying to keep up with you.
Roger, I'm throttling back. I'm throttling back to 43 inches of manifold pressure.
10-4, matching 43.
Flight report, P-51s are at 18,000 feet. We're going to climb to 25K, hover around there, over.
Killer, this is 5. You want me forming up on Donzie, or you want me to form up on you on your left side?
I want you on my left side.
Copy that. Left side.
Why do people always choose to call me at the wrong time? They never answer when I call, but when they call, I'm expected to drop everything I'm doing to answer them.
That's just the way things go, my friend.
I'll call this guy later.
Killer 5, coming up on your left side.
I got you in sight, 5. It's good to be back in the air again. I miss playing this.
Could have fooled me.
Well, when you're working on an actual plane from 1942, and with the possibility of getting to fly it once it's done, gaming kind of takes a back seat.
Yeah, I'll remember that next time you come into the TeamSpeak and go, "Hey guys, I found a great new game called Planetside." Oh, we're not training tonight? Perfect, I get to play more Planetside.
Touche.
I'm just saying. Wait, let me guess, Planetside from 1943 too, right?
Well, if you want to get all technical, there was science fiction from back then, and if you want to really stretch it out, you could say the game was based off of that science fiction, so technically it could be.
This is Dr. Flight Groups. Is anyone near Hotel 2?
That is Flight Group 1.
Are we
We're at
south of our patrol
25K feet, covering.
Yeah, we're almost over our patrol zone. I'll make a
Roger
left-hand turn
that. There's
shortly.
spotting a lone large target on Hotel 2.
All at Hotel 2. That is us.
Sorry, I'm flying a little
Approximately
rag. I got something in
altitude
my eye
is
and I'm trying
inches
to
15.
get it out while I'm flying in the Oculus.
That sounds fun.
Like, I'm sure- I'm sure
something
fly-
flying? Was there
I'm sure-
something flying in your Oculus?
No, I don't know, dude. I'm sure like 5 bikes
Appears
in
to
there
be a
laughing at me,
twin-engined
constantly
aircraft.
going up and down, forward and backward.
No, I'm saying.
Left
It
hand
might be
turn.
I'm not-
AI.
I'm glad I don't have to form up on Donzi. I'd be all over the place.
Left hand turn to heading is 090.
09050.
10-4, left hand turn to wherever the fuck killer's pointing. Confirmed. Oh, god damn it. God damn you, Oculus! You're so good in combat, but so miserable when I'm outside of it. Ah!
KO.
Engines are losing thrust, power's going back up to 45 inches.
45 inches. Okay. Copy that.
That's what she said.
I wish.
No, I'm sorry, she said 4 to 5 inches.
Are we supposed to be looking for enemy here?
Yes, we
Yes.
are. We're looking for enemy bombers and possible escort fighters.
We might have a couple minutes before we see anything, just because we're a lot closer to our coast than they would be from theirs.
Passing
Are you-
15,500 feet. Almost there.
Are you recording this, by the way, Killer?
Yes, I am.
Oh boy, everybody's gonna
Yes.
laugh at me failing a formation fight because I got something in my eye.
Excellent. He's recording this. I'll be watching it again. We can hear.
Hopefully it's not-
We can hear
hopefully
us
it's not-
talk, right?
Yeah, you can hear everything. I'm just hoping it's not like our last P-38 mission, where it was called Lone Survivor.
Yeah, hopefully it won't. The actual combat part won't end in 5 minutes when I get pilot sniped.
More like 5 seconds.
On the plus side, I won't be stressed out about trying to keep my pilot alive anymore, so maybe I'll take more risks.
No, not 5. I'm gonna try and.
If anybody should be stressed out about still alive, it's me.
Don't worry, I'll take care of you. I'll dive in front of a plane that's coming in on you and sacrifice myself.
Oh, Killer, you're saying that because you've died already, you can take more risk.
Well, I already cheated death once. What do I have to lose?
The first mission you cheated death too, where you got hit and had head cylinder damage, but still was able to fight.
Yeah.
I remember when the P-47s had to come back and we were just over the runway when we were told to go back and help Killer. He was over the channel, being chased by something.
Don's the killer, we're contrailing now.
Roger that.
Oh yeah, that's right.
The P-38 has amazing upward and rearward visibility, but horrible downward visibility.
Yeah, I know. At some point we're going to have to level out so we can start seeing.
2,000 feet to go.
I swear to God, at 45 inch-pounds, I'm making more horsepower than you.
Well, you're probably going a little faster because I have my cowl flaps fully open.
That would explain it.
Alright, we're at 20,000 feet. I'm leveling off.
Leveling up. What's your manifold pressure there?
Manifold pressure's 42 inches.
Copy that.
Don's a killer. Never mind, we're good.
I'm making right-hand turn to track for enemies.
And
Right,
for making right with you.
hand turn. Nice and easy.
I think I just had a glimmer of something at my 12. Maybe not.
You're 12 right here. I'm leveling off.
No, about 10 degrees back left. But it could have just been something weird with the Oculus.
Flight Group 1, we got contact over the
confirm it.
French coast. Approximately 10,000 feet below us. We're gonna wait for them to try to cross, then we're gonna engage.
Roger that. Give us an approximate grid if you can.
God, England looks so small and
Approximate
shitty.
grid,
Wait, gentle for a second.
India 6, they're down south.
Roger that. Okay, possible enemy contacts at India 6, 10,000 feet below Group 1. They're going to keep an eye on them, but we should be ready to intercept.
India 6, that's over the
Three
French coast.
contacts.
Copy that.
3 contacts.
Got 3 contacts, dead ahead, 12 o'clock high.
Roger. I do not have those contacts you're referring to yet.
Neither do I.
They're off your, off your 12 o'clock to
Straight
your
12
left.
off you, killer. 2 high, 1 low.
Yeah,
Like two co-outs and 1 low.
3 contacts.
Might be the other
Enemy
38 group.
contacts approximately Hotel 6 now.
I think it's the other 38s. He says contacts are Hotel 6 now. Enemy contacts
Scratch
Hotel
that,
6.
6 of them, 6.
6 contacts Hotel 6. Roger,
They're
this
all
is
here,
the...
guys.
And
India
Roger,
6.
we're
Hotel
inbound.
6.
Hotel 6, they're all there. They need help. Let's go.
I'm right
And
behind
4.
you.
This is the
Are you
38
throttling
group.
right
We're
up?
inbound to Hotel 6.
This is Dr. My group is inbound.
Manifold pressure should be right below 50, just out of web.
Doge, what is their approximate altitude? We're at 20,000 feet.
We are at 28K, so they're below us. I can't really tell you how high. It might be at 20K approximately.
Roger, we're going to enter a climb. Alright, let's enter a climb. They could possibly be at 20,000 feet. They're at 28,000 and they're below them. They don't know how far, so...
What the hell are they doing at 28,000?
I don't know.
The enemy's at 28,000?
You got that contact at our 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock? Same altitude?
Yeah, 10-4, I got 2 contacts there. 1 slightly below it.
Yeah.
2, actually, it's 3
Yeah,
contacts
3
there.
contacts to our 3 o'clock.
That could be the other 38s. I don't think the enemies
Do
are
it.
this far north.
Yeah, it's 2 at 2 and 1 at 3. Oh, the 51 just shot down one of the 217s.
Alright, I've got multiple contacts at our 12 o'clock low.
10-4, I got visual.
Tracer fire, those are the bombers.
10-4. Hammering the firewall, following you.
Alright, cow flaps are closed.
Oh, they shot down another bomber.
Is there any fighter escort?
There has to be fighter escort. Alright, this is Killer. I'm making a pass.
Donzie the killer, I'm in line following you.
5 is right behind you.
Keep an eye out for possible enemy fighters.
I got 2 contacts high off your 12, 1 o'clock now.
Yeah, I got them. I think those are the P-51s.
I got 4 contacts at your 11 low.
Yep, I've got them too.
Donzi the killer, you're breaking away from the group.
Roger, I'm throttling back.
Donzi, I'm on your 6. This is 5.
Got
10-4.
multiple contacts. Looks like at least 6 or 7 to our 1 o'clock.
Donzi the killer, be careful when you're banking right. Check your 10 now, possibly moving to 9. Got
I
2
see
contacts there.
I see him.
10-4, I'm following you in.
I'm following you in, Donnie. I'm on your right
oh
side.
shit, 109, 109 off the right. Going for you, killer. Shit, 5. That's a 109 just flew over you. Pulling back right, follow me.
Copy that.
I'm on a 190.
I got him at my 12, he's diving. You got visual on him, 5?
Yep, got visual.
109 is down. I got one on me, guys. 190.
One firing at, oh shit. I gotta pull out. I lost visual on him, 5, check your 6. Your 6
He's
is
right
clear
here
right
in
now,
front of
5.
me. He's climbing, he's trying to get up, he's trying to get over you.
10-4, what do you need me to do? I got no visual
He's
on
on
him.
your 6, Donnie.
Yeah.
Donzi, I can't see you.
You overshot. I rolled under him.
He's spinning, he's out of control. You're
I'm
clear,
pulling him.
Donnie, you're clear.
No, I'm not. He's diving back into me.
No, that's another guy.
Okay, back to full throttle. I'm on him.
I got him.
I'm on his 6.
Donzi, I do not have visual. I cannot help. I'm sorry.
10-4, I'm with 5. We're okay. He's pulling us to the deck.
What do you want to do? You want to stay up?
He's pulling back up.
Keep
Stay
your
on him,
altitude. Keep your altitude.
Keep an eye on him, 5, but we're breaking off him. He's pulling us all the way down. I got visual on him. He's on the deck.
Are you coming back up?
Yeah, I'm coming back up.
Come back up.
Where's my airspeed indicator? There it is. Okay, I'm back up at 16,000.
Alright, I've got 2 P-38s and 2 P-51s up here at 25,000 feet.
I'm at 16,000 right now.
There's 2 109s.
I lost sight of you, 5.
Yeah, I know. There's 2 109s with contrails just in front of me.
I've got 2 contrails up here. I'll check it out.
I'm just passing 17,000, climbing. I'm climbing and heading north, try to regroup.
Yep, I see killer, 2 P-38s chasing the 2 109s with contrails.
I got a contact off of my 3 o'clock, about 2 miles out. Climbing.
These 109s look like they're running.
Yeah, I see the 109s. I'm pursuing, but they're
Hey, I got
outrunning
tracers
me.
over the French coast.
I'm just below killer. Killer, you tell me if you're gonna break off and you're not gonna bother.
I don't think I'm gonna bother. Where's the tracers at, Donzi?
French coast, roughly, I would say, Gamma or Hotel 6.
What
Are
else?
you turning left right now, killer?
Low.
Yeah, I'm
There's
turning
a,
left. I'm leveled off now.
German AA is going up. I think some of our guys followed those guys down low.
Roger that.
Yeah, there's the tracers again. Looks like a baby 38s.
Oh yeah, I see them. Are you headed over there, killer?
Yeah, I'm headed over there.
I'm currently sitting 17,500 feet. Got a contact at my 12 high. Lone contact.
I think the Germans broke off.
I think so too. I think they ran.
I'm gonna radio
Like,
the
I
other
see-
groups.
Like Killer, I see contacts over land there from a distance.
Yeah, I think those are ours. Can't confirm those are ours.
Oh.
Hostile teams lost all vehicles.
Sweet! I didn't get a kill, but Donzi lives to fight another day.
Yeah, 5-2. What's the call, Killer?
What's
There's
that?
no call. Game's over.
Yep.
That's it, sir.
Good job, guys. Let's bring them home.